Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add a button over an image in WordPress. It's a free tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, obviously I'm going with a new page so you can see how it's done. Once you open the new page, you will end up over here. Let's add an image over here. That's what I'm going to do right now. Click on Media Library and I'm going to choose this image, select, and here we are. Now, once you open your image, I'm going to click on image icon over here. Click on image again and click on image icon again. After that, you will see that you can transform your image into cover, and this is what we wanted. Click on this option and here we are going to write /button. Once you search that, you can see that we have that option over here. I'm going with this one. Once you click on that, you can see that button will appear over here, and obviously you can go ahead and play with the button also. You can drag that over here if you want, and obviously at the bottom also we can change the colors if you want. We can copy the style if you want. We can set the alignment if you want. Right now, I think mid is good. On the right side, we have more properties regarding this button. We have styling. We have advanced options like animations and every single details. We can add the texting and obviously the typography. If we want different, we can do that. We can change the font size if you want. So I'm going to write over here, click here. And once you click on that, I want this to open up in a new link tab. So how you can do that? On the right side, if you go and click on page, we have those options also. You can parent this to, contact or services and testimonials if you have pages of it right now. So you can change this to contacts and you can align this to your contact page. So if someone's going to click on this, they will open up a new window for contacts. And obviously you can change the styling also. As you can see, general, we have so many styles also over here. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to add a button on an image in WordPress. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.